stocks and REITs. So when you find out what works for you, then you can really reach your full potential. Agree or disagree, guys? Agree. Yeah.
One, two, three, go!
Dream, thrive, and succeed!
Maraming salamat po! Ate.
Yes, money is merely a tool to get to your goals. But if the way we handle money conflicts with our values, then we may not live fulfilled lives.
And royalties. These are forms of passive income. Ano ba yung passive? It means you're still earning even when you're asleep, even when you're not physically present dun sa brick and mortar business mo. Puro mga passive income. Hindi tulad ng active income nakukuha natin kunwari sa mga trabaho natin or sa business na hindi mo kayang patakbuhin pag wala.